Hey you guys, it's me Key, and if you want to see how I achieved these 4 braids, then keep watching. This guy started with so much hair, okay? I didn't know how I was gonna fit all this hair into just 4 braids, but I did it. So I started by shampooing his hair, conditioning it, combing it out, and then I parted it into just large sections. And the way I blow dry, people with natural hair is I part it out into thick sections, section off the rest of it, and then I will blow dry it with the wide tooth comb first, and then go in with a weave brush or a Denman brush, whatever kind of brush you want to use, you can use, but I use like a paddle brush. I forgot to mention, after I get finished with the paddle brush, I do go in with a third brush with even smaller bristles, like for the roots, just to make sure the roots are straight too. So this is his hair once it's fully blow dried, so much more manageable. And basically, I'm gonna go ahead and part his hair down the middle, braid one side just to get out of the way, and then part one of the halves into half again because I'm doing 4 braids. So when I'm starting any braid, big or small, I start at the very front of the braid and take very small pieces so that it can start forming the braid sooner than later, basically. Hope that makes sense. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid this from the front to the back. I didn't really speed this part of the video up in case anybody wanted to try to follow along. But yeah, I'll be back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side that I did on the other side. Start at the very front of the braid and use small pieces and, you know, braid it straight back like I would any other braid, and, you know, braid it all the way down to the tip. Put a rubber band at the end, or don't. You know, if their hair holds, you don't have to use a rubber band. And his hair is pretty long, so I don't actually think I used rubber bands, but you know, if you want to use a rubber band for more security, by all means, do you. So this is the last braid. I'm gonna start it how I started the other 2 braids or the other 3 braids. And you just, you know, start at the very front of the braid. Use really small pieces as you start. That'll give it a better look. And yeah, so the middle of his hair was so thick. My hands were hurting, my fingers were hurting trying to stuff all this hair into one braid and try not to make it look super bulky. But I did it. I done did it. I did it again. So you guys like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, keep coming back for more bangers. I'm gonna keep dropping videos. And y'all, I think I'm going to do another giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. Right now I'm at like 57 or something like that, and when I hit 50 I gave away $150. So I think when I hit 100 subscribers I'm gonna do that again. So y'all stay tuned for that. And also I am starting a second YouTube channel for my story times, because y'all, I got some story times, okay? And I know people want to hear about it. So y'all stay tuned for all that. And thank you again for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for all the support. Y'all make sure to follow me on Instagram at KEYSWORK_. I do follow back most of the time. However, that is a business page, so I don't always get to see who follows me and follow back. I definitely appreciate any follows, any likes, any support I get. And thank you all again for watching this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.